umculi welizinga lelisetulu Jonas Gwangwa usebenzisane nebaculi labadiwa umhlaba wonke. Ngalesikhathi bathanzi bemculo balilela lomculi weJazz. Umndeni wakwaGwangwa wona ukhala le-smartphones uthi lokulahlekelwa ngeke kwalinganiswa nalutho.
For the past few months, I have watched Butimosa fighting very bravely whilst his body was slowly giving in and his health declining. Through all this, he still managed to give a smile when he saw me and other people next to his bed. He left an empty space in my heart.
Ushayeke tinhlangothi tonke lo elachithe iminyaka naGwangwa bakha umculo.
He was a brother and a comrade in arms. We were bound together not only by our love for music, but also by a common goal of using our musical talents as a weapon to free our people from the shackles of colonialism and apartheid oppression.
Gwangwa uphinze wakhunjulwa nangenzima la idlale ngalesikhathi kulwela inkhululeko yalelive. Ngeminyaka yema-80s Gwangwa wahola iamandla lebeyibuka elihlangothi lotemasiko ngaphasi kwelicembu iANC.
Like his companions, Hugh Masekela and Brakefa Semenya, Comrade JG was an agent of the spirituality of our people. His love for freedom was genuine and deep.
Today we've gathered here to pay homage to one of the finest talents. Jonas Gwangwa is of that powerful generation that gave us hope when those who were in power at the time thought they had managed to kill the spirit of freedom.
Gwangwa ushiya emuva abantu bakhe labasikhombisa nebatukulu. Phumula chawe uyishile indvuku ebandla.